Well, here it is. I picked it up on Amazon. Let's take a walk out to the car. Gonna reach in, and down here, you're gonna pull your hood latch. This should be for, there's a lot of cars that are exactly the same. Open up your hood right here. Pull out to open your air filter. All you do is give her a tug. Air filter right here. Pull her on out. And boom, you can see the dirt. I like to change it about every year. That's the air filter. Let's get this one unwrapped and pull it out. Okay, this one that's in here, I bought, it was cheaper. It doesn't have locks that are here and here, which doesn't mean anything. This locks it in place. You have this rubber boot that seals it all. The brand new one has locks. You can see here, which I don't recommend using because I just tried putting it in there and it broke off anyhow. What they do is just put pressure out. You don't need them. I just close up on it if it'll let me. There, and you're done. Like I said, the old one don't even have locks on it. So that's all there is to it. Only takes a couple minutes.